Let's talk about AI in your everyday life. You might think AI is this big, complicated thing, but guess what? It's quietly working behind the scenes, making life easier. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed. Let's walk through a day together. Morning routine. Your AI personal assistant. Picture this. Your alarm rings, but it's not just any alarm. It's a smart alarm that knows you were in light sleep, so it woke you at the perfect time. You grab your phone, and there it is. The weather forecast, your first meeting of the day, and even the traffic report. Apps like Sleep Cycle analyze your sleep patterns to wake you feeling refreshed, while weather apps use AI to give you hyper-accurate forecasts. Already AI has set the tone for a productive day. Getting around. Smarter, faster commutes. Now it's time to hit the road. Ever use Google Maps to avoid traffic jams? That's intelligence analyzing real-time data to save you time. All public transit apps use AI to track delays and update schedules. Shopping and budgeting, personalized convenience. Later, you're browsing online looking for a new pair of shoes. Suddenly, your shopping app shows you a deal on the exact pair you've been eyeing. This is also artificial intelligence. From recommending products you might like to finding the best discounts with tools like Honey. AI makes shopping seamless. What about those random personalized ads? That's AI too, curating your experience based on what it thinks you'll love. Entertainment. Endless options curated for you. After a long day, you finally relax on the couch. You open Netflix and bam! It suggests the perfect movie to match your mood. AI knows what you've been watching and predicts what you'll enjoy next. Platforms like Spotify go even further, creating playlists based on your vibe, whether you're working out, chilling, or throwing a party. Health and fitness. Staying on track. Now let's talk about staying healthy. AI-powered fitness trackers like Fitbit or Apple Watch monitor your activity, heart rate, and even your sleep. Feeling motivated? Apps like Peloton use AI to recommend workouts tailored just for you. And if you're feeling under the weather, AI tools like symptom checkers can help you figure out your next steps. Smart homes, your digital butler. Imagine walking into a house that knows you. With a simple "Hey Alexa," you can dim the lights, set the thermostat, or even play your favorite playlist. AI-powered devices like smart speakers and robotic vacuums learn your habits to make life at home more comfortable. Work and productivity. Getting more done. AI is about getting things done efficiently. Ever typed an email and had Gmail suggest how to finish the sentence? That's intelligence saving you time. Apps like Trello use AI to streamline workflows, and tools like Otter.ai transcribe meetings so you can focus on the conversation. It's like having a productivity coach in your pocket. Security and privacy, staying safe online. Finally, let's talk safety. AI helps detect fraud, manage your passwords, and keep your inbox clean from spam and phishing attempts. So while you're busy living your life, AI is working behind the scenes to keep your digital world secure. Intelligence is improving your life in small but meaningful ways every single day. It's pretty great, right? You don't need to be a tech expert to benefit. AI is already part of your routine, whether you realize it or not. Ready to take it a step further? In the next chapter, we'll explore how you can start leveraging AI to achieve your goals.